Welcome to the HKUST Career Center website. You can find different kinds of career-related information on this website. Let me show you how. Here, under Jobs and Internships, you can access our HKUST exclusive job board and learn more about various internship programs. On our job board, you can find postings for graduate positions, internships, off-campus part-time jobs, on-campus jobs, and all sorts of opportunities. On our Internship Program page, you can learn more about various types of internship programs. There are different types of organized internship programs such as local, mainland, overseas, and virtual. The Career Center also organizes many recruitment events and career development programs. You can check them out under Events and Courses. Here under Meet Advisors, you can reserve a consultation session with one of our advisors. You can find out more about each of our advisors by clicking on their name. On the Further Studies page, you can find some tips on planning for further studies, sources for scholarships and fellowships, information about standardized tests, as well as some sharing from other students who have done it before. Last but not least, on the Resources page, you can find out about other career-related information. For example, click on Graduate Employment Survey and you can find out about the employment data of our previous graduating class. We also have important employment-related legal information, such as the minimum wage ordinance in Hong Kong and for non-local students working in Hong Kong. And we also have links to various online career tools, reference resources, and more. Check them out. Now you know how to navigate the HKUST Career Center website. We hope this would be a useful resource for you throughout your time at HKUST.